When our customers are happy, we're happy, and when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. All of our customers were new customers at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.